Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in the game Football Manager 26. So here follow the fixes. Solution 1 is steps to fix sound problem in Football Manager 26. So open Windows settings. On the left click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down, click on More Sound Settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Then go to this Spatial Sound. From the drop down select Off option, then hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, and if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on Apply, OK, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2 steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in Football Manager 26 if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device and remotely controllable device. Click on apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Football Manager 26 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Solution 4 disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio problem or sound or audio issues in the Football Manager 26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.